faster. What we're gonna do today is, this is a factory coil spring. We're gonna trade this out for a Hyperco. This is a 37 package truck. It only clears 37s if they're on factory Ford wheels. So when you go to Cool Innovates with a different offset, it won't clear 37s anymore. So if you're actually gonna take it off-road, you're gonna need a little more clearance than just this factory spring will give you. So that's why we're gonna level this up. We'll have plenty of room for the 37s for our activities, and we'll be good to go. So I gotta get this thing apart, and we'll go from there. Yeah, safety first. Eat your cheesesteak and freaking blow your knuckles apart. We partnered up with Hyperco for springs all the way around. This is the 2 1/4 leveling kit spring for the front. And you can see this was the stock replacement spring. And so you'll notice a couple things right out of the gate. The Hyperco spring is a slightly bit longer, okay? So that's gonna make the truck a little bit taller, but then also it's a spring rate that's slightly stiffer, which also is gonna give a little increase in the ride height. This is a rear spring with a 10% over for a little more weight in the back. You can also see it's a dual rate spring, big gap, little gap. So little gap gets softer bump compliance, and then the big gap is for the heavy load. So super cool. And then we'll get this out in the dirt after we get the other side together. We'll get everything torqued up, and then we'll get it road tested. It's gonna end up being about an inch higher. Yeah, it's a solid 43.5. Nice. There you have it, people. Hyperco springs.